To find out where your most loyal customers live, what state taxes you have to pay, or which specific cities, states, or countries to target your marketing campaigns, you would have to review your sales information and create an external database manually to analyze the data you found, since WooCommerce doesn't offer the option to filter your customers by city, state or country. But in this video, we'll show you another much easier and faster option of how you can calculate total sales by country, state, or city using the WordPress User Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin helps you easily find and edit lots of users with its powerful search tool and export all the results pretty fast. We have left the link in the description of this video to download the plugin, and you will also find a link that will take you to our written guide. First, let's calculate the total sales by customer country. To do this, open the search tool and select the customer role. Enable the advanced filters by tickling here. Then, select the field billing country. Leave equal as the operator, and write the country you're looking for as the value. Finally, run the search. Now you'll see the total sales amount that has been calculated automatically, and you can check the total by doing the calculation yourself. To calculate total sales by customer state, open the search tool and select the role customer. Then enable the advanced filters and fill out these fields. In this one, select the billing state field. Leave the operator equal here, and enter the state from which you want to know the total of your sales. And run the search so that the results are displayed in seconds. Also, you'll be able to see the total sum of the sales made in that state here. Now, let's calculate the total sales by customer city. First, open the search tool and select the role customer. Enable the advanced filters. Then select the billing city field. Leave the operator equal, and enter the city here. Finally, run the search and the results will appear in the spreadsheet, and you can see the total sales for that city here. As you have just seen, with WP Sheet Editor you can easily make advanced searches, and it will calculate customer sales automatically. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.